Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to install Franco kernel in Xiaomi Mi A1. So guys, yesterday I have made a video on our Xiaomi Mi A1, but that video was on the extreme kernel. So in today's video, I am gonna show you how to install the Franco kernel in our Xiaomi Mi A1. So as you can see, this was the latest build of the Xiaomi.eu by Igor 9.3.14, and as you can see the default kernel is Mon kernel, I think so. So to install the Franco kernel in your device, you need to download, which is link is given in description, and reboot your device into TWRP. So guys, as you can see, I am rebooting my device into TWRP mode. So after rebooting my device into TWRP mode, I will redirect you there. So guys, as you can see, my device is booted into TWRP mode. So you need not to wipe anything. So you need to just locate where you kept that kernel. So I have kept here in my internal storage. As you can see, extreme kernel, below the extreme kernel, here is the Franco kernel. So select it and just swipe to confirm flash. So as you can see, it is installing the kernel and checking device resort made by any kernel by osmosis. So magic's detected, it is flashing kernel. So let us wait until the flashing completes, guys. It may take around 1 minute to complete the flashing of kernel because it is small file below 50 MB, that is 10 or 12 MB. So let us wait until flashing completes, and I will redirect you here after completing of flashing. So guys, as you can see, the flashing is completed, so we need not to do any wipe or any other thing. Just click on this reboot system, so it will wait, it will reboot and within the 5 minutes. So you need not to do any other thing because it may break your device. I mean, you need not to press any volume button or power button while rebooting of device. It may corrupt any system files, so your device may lead to boot loop. So wait until the device boots. No need to worry about any other thing. So I will tell you what are working, what are not working after flashing of this kernel. So let us wait until the device boots. So guys, the next video is the dual VoLTE on Mi A1 Oreo. So stay tuned to our channel. No need to worry about any other thing. So as you can see, the device is booting. Here is MI logo and powered by Android, it says. So guys, device is booted and there is no any network issue or any other thing. So let me show you in settings and about section whether the kernel is changed or not. So here you can see the Franco kernel 3.18. so let me show you whether Wi-Fi is working or not working. So let me open settings and here comes Wi-Fi. So as you can see guys, Wi-Fi is fully working, no errors. If you have flashed the user data, then you may not face any other issues because it prevents the breakage of Wi-Fi and hotspot. So here you can see the hotspot, and hotspot is also working, guys. So no need to worry about any other thing. So you can flash it and enjoy it, and the charging speed is also very good in this kernel as compared to the Franco kernel. So that's it for today's video, guys. Like our video, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friend so that it may help anyone. And next video is on the dual VoLTE. So bye bye, take care, Jai Hind, Vande Matram.